welcome back. And if you're new here, you are welcome to be here. Please join us. Y'all, I just wanted to stop by really quickly and say that I would like to thank you all for just rocking with me on this journey. I know my YouTube video uploads hasn't been consistent, but I've been getting them out, and my goal is to be more consistent for you guys, for myself, just my work ethic on YouTube as a whole. And so I appreciate you guys for just holding me down in the midst of that, okay? And I also wanted to give y'all some good news that I finally started a beauty, fashion, lifestyle, and vlog channel. This channel is strictly geared toward food and mukbangs, or anything that pertains to that, y'all. But, you know, there's another side to me outside of cooking and eating. As a woman in general, I have things that I need to do to maintain, and I'm sure you do. And if you're interested, follow my new page at Miss Lanice Finesse 24/7. Until then, y'all, I love y'all. I thank y'all for just rocking with me. I pray that you guys are continuously blessed in everything you do, touch, or say. Until next time, I'll see y'all soon. Now, let's get this meal going, because I couldn't figure out what I wanted to eat, and he was undecided. So I cooked both. And we're using the new spices from the Pepper Palace. Make sure your notifications are on, and make sure you click and support your girl, because she here putting the content out for the both of us. It's a win-win when it comes down to us as a growing team, y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let's get it. Okay, y'all, so today we're going to be making some beef quesadillas and tacos. I love to grill up my peppers and make my meat first using minced garlic, onion powder, black pepper. But I did purchase some new spices from the Pepper Palace, the World Tour, and the 5 pepper. Y'all got to be real careful with those. You don't need a lot. The World Tour can be used for all-purpose seasoning. It can go good on everything, but there is a little spice. The 5 peppers is what it is. And then I added some ghost pepper hot sauce. When I tell you I couldn't even eat the peppers at the end because the taco was just right, I didn't push it, y'all. And this is everything that I added onto the top of our quesadillas and tacos. Peppers look good, right? Oh, mouth watering. I just didn't get to enjoy them with this meal, y'all. I do have onions and tomatoes, some over-the-border salsa. I do toast up my tortillas. I like it crunchy when I'm eating a quesadilla. And so we're just going to layer everything on. Rice, meat and beans, guys. I like a heavy taco and a hefty quesadilla. Lettuce, tomatoes. Oh, my God, you cannot forget your onions. Woo, y'all, it's a lot, but it's so delicious. And the sour cream, just put the cherry on top. And then, of course, the salsa. And put as much as you want. You can remove some of these items if you choose to. Put that last layer of cheese. And then go on and add your other tortilla on top. And then you're good to go. I do leave it in there for like 30 seconds on medium high. Flip it. It looks so delicious, right? Then I flip it, leave it for another 30 seconds, take it out. This is really crunchy, which is just the way we like it. So now we're just going to make hubby's tacos, and they're going to be the same. But I just wanted to let you guys know that everything that I'm cooking now at this point, I am cooking over the road. And I have everything that I need to do so, as you guys could see. And I'm sure if I never told you, you would never know it. But yes, just because you're over-the-road truck driver doesn't mean you have to eat out every day. You can have healthy meals. You can choose what you want, and you don't have to overspend to have it, y'all. So the main reason I made this video is because that ghost pepper hot sauce, y'all, you got to get it. All of the seasons are really, really good, but if you're just looking for some heat and some spice, that ghost pepper is going to give it to you. I will recommend the other seasoning as well. Just be careful when you're putting it on. As you guys can see, these tacos are full to the brim. That's the way my husband like it, and I give him what he wants. So I do make sure that the taco shell is firm and crispy so that it can hold together before I serve him, y'all. And this is what it's looking like. Y'all, it was so good. I haven't made these in a very long time, and I'm glad I did. The new sauces and spices was a 10 out of 10 for me, okay? We're going to plate it up, and I'll see you guys on the next video. I thank you so much for watching, and I really appreciate your love and support. And guess what? The kitchen is closed.